So what stopped you from putting the other wheel like in the middle of the transfer on the front?
That was part of his discussion on last time.
Yeah. What he's doing now is pulling out to the new distance he's supposed to go to, and he just tracks that distance down.
Do you have a gauge for distance, or do you have a timer, or how does it know?
It's just measuring the distance to the wall.
But I mean for the distance this way.
Oh,
like
that's
85.
dead reckoning, the same as the previous contest, just using the encoders, except that since he's making this big diversion, he compensates for it and throws in a little more
Do you
distance.
need to start it
Okay,
again?
Alex, he stopped at the 90, but how do we know which lateral point he was supposed to stop at?
Oh, I can lie about that. Let's just say it was 930 millimeters.
That's what
I think it was actually...
Plus or minus half a millimeter.
Yeah.
You're good.
If you go back and look at it, I think it says 915, because that's creepy. Okay, so now I can tell him to go to the next one. And, yeah, we just stay away from this side again.
You just report whatever numbers.
Now it's going to come a little bit farther out and go to
80, right?
80, I think, yeah.
What's this?
So this one should be 1020. Uh-oh, he got disturbed. I walked
You walked
on the wrong side.
You provided a wall.
Okay, well,
Say for your
just for that, he gets an error of
You're gonna lose this contest to yourself.
1020. That's about 41, almost 10 inches. And it's going to be interesting to see how he copes with it. Somebody asked, how far off can he be? Well, this will be the
Still need that other wall now, so I don't have to move.
He's going to go this way first, so he's turning so I can get out of the way. I do that all the time. I did that line following last time. Just after he crossed the start-finish line, I
correction.
took off and got in the way.
Watch the toes.
No, 100 foot mark.
Oh, 100.
Now, careful with that black beat. And he's right on the 100 foot. I concede. I'll take second place.
Now we know we're about to kill you.
Okay.
We know it's not radio control.
You know what? You're supposed to pass on the left. It's okay.
Right.
Alex controls.
Does this make it dummy-proof?
He still gets operator error. What sensors is he using?
Just the laser scanner and the encoders.
That's great.
I almost did it again.
You can squeeze in there.
2 inches.
Well, I've heard that they